Hi friends, last time we have seen equal sets and I have given you homework to solve the practice set 1.2. Hope you have solved the examples and if you have any doubts you can call me. Now today we will start with another topic, Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a representation of the set where we used to use these curly brackets to represent the set. Here we are using a Venn diagram either in oval shape or in square shape. This representation is known as Venn diagram. Now let us see, here example is given. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How this is shown? This is shown here in the oval shape diagram, and in that we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have named it as an set A. Now another example, set B of x such that minus 10 is less or equal to x or less or equal to 0. X is an integer. Now here Venn diagram is shown here, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. This is a Venn diagram of set B. Hope you have understood. Now we will see what is subset. Subset, if A and B are two given sets and every element of set B is also an element of set A, then B is a subset of A, which is symbolically written as B is subset of A. This symbol is used as subset and it is read as B is a subset of A or B subset A. Example is given here. See at the bottom one oval shaped Venn diagram is there. In that 1, 5, 3 and 7 these numbers are there, and in the center set B is drawn in a circular. In that B8, 2, 4, 6 these numbers are there. And we will see what is there in set A. In set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all the numbers including what all the numbers are in set B are the elements of set A, and in set B only 8, 2, 4, 6 these elements are present. So every element of set B is also an element of set A, therefore we can say B subset A, and this is shown in the Venn diagram. Let us come to the another portion. This portion is deducted, but the activity shown here, set of students in class and a set of students in the same class who can swim, are shown by the Venn diagram. Observe the diagram and draw Venn diagrams for the following subset. Although this has been deducted, but as an home assignment you have to complete it at home. Now we will go to the next part, that is universal set. Think of bigger set which will accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which in general is known as universal set, so that the sets under consideration are subset of this universal set. Universal set means a set under which all the elements, all the subsets are leading. Some examples are given. Example number 1 and example number 2. You just go through it and keep attention over here. Generally, the universal set is denoted by U, and in Venn diagram it is represented by rectangle. This rectangle itself tells us that this is an universal set. Now what is complements of set? Suppose U is an universal set, If B is subset of U, then set of all elements in U which are not in set B is called as complement of B. It is denoted by B dash or BC, that means B complement. B dash is defined as this. Means what? Suppose this is an universal set. In universal set, these all numbers including this oval shape, all numbers are there in this universal set, but in set A only these numbers are there, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The remaining numbers are said to be the complement, that is A dash. This is A and this is A dash. I hope you have understood this. Now you just go through these two examples which I have explained you. Some properties are there, write in the notebook and solve the practice set 1.3. In this practice set 1.3, 6th and 7th example is deducted, but still don't write in notebook, but take a separate page and on in that as an home assignment you solve these two. Remaining question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solve in the notebook, and if you have any doubt you may call me. We will see the remaining part in next lecture.